mental health, मैं तुम्हें इतना ज़रूर कहूँगी that people who do make it into therapy, even with their reservations, have somewhere in their brain decided कि हम therapy के लिए जा रहे हैं, तो they're slightly more open. मैंने ये भी देखा है कि कुछ लोग एक दफ़ा सेशन पे जाते हैं और कहते हैं ओ हमें कोई फ़ायदा नहीं हुआ, हम वापस आ गए, बिकॉज उनको लगता है कि आप थेरेपिस्ट के पास गए हैं तो आपको एक दिन में फाइन ट्यून करके ना वो कहेगा therapists are really like some of them really do some very questionable things. Like there was this one therapist in Lahore जिसके बारे में बहुत सारे लोग बात कर रहे थे, who the gay community, they were ostracized in the gay community. Which is something, ये वही वाली बात होती है कि आप अपने इशू से जब डील नहीं करते ना when you're becoming a therapist, तो फिर आप इस तरह की चीज़ें करते
अपने
हैं,
prejudices set aside नहीं कर सकते. So people who don't know, एक therapist थी लाहौर में who was like कि नहीं जी ये gay और lesbian ये सब होना तो हराम है और खला, तो if somebody would come she would try to convert them.
Yes.
So the idea of her therapy was not therapy or helping this person, but it was almost like a forced conversion camp because वो अपने beliefs
आप पे impose
force
कर
कर रही
देते
थी.
हैं, जी. And that you're not supposed to do. As a therapist, you're not even allowed to give advice, ironically. Like आप किसी को ये भी नहीं बोल सकते ना कि काफ़ी दफ़ा ऐसा मैं भी जब थेरेपी में अपनी थेरेपी में बैठी होती हूँ तो I'm like, oh my god, why doesn't he just tell me what to do? My therapist is a male.
Yeah.
So, but he can't. And you have to reach your own conclusions.
Yeah.
तो कुछ मुश्किल होता है और कोई फाइन लाइन नहीं होती, लेकिन स्टिग्मा तो बहुत है मेंटल हेल्थ.
Best friend, he was like, why do you need to go to a therapist? I'm here, I'm your friend. So I think people also need to understand that talking to a friend is different from talking to a therapist.
The biggest difference is objectivity. अब देखो, मैं किसी को पर्सनली अगर जानती हूँ तो मेरे वेस्टेड इंटरेस्ट और मेरा बायस है उसमें कुछ ना कुछ, ठीक है, इमोशनल बायस है. मैं ये नहीं कह रही कि गलत बात है, मैं सिर्फ ये कह रही हूँ दैट अगर फर्स्ट करो माई मदर सिटिंग अक्रॉस फ्रॉम मी, लुक एट हर एज माई मदर इन थेरेपी, राइट. मतलब मैं उसको, अगर वो मुझे कोई बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्टर्बिंग चीज़ बताती है तो मैं इंस्टेड ऑफ कमिंग फ्रॉम माई लोकस एज अ therapist, I'm more likely to think as her daughter.
And it's also colored.
On the flip side, it may be detrimental for you.
I mean, it was like an anecdotal
I've put him
joke.
on the spot.
No, it was like an anecdotal joke. It's not like this
Obviously,
is a
obviously.
second out of hours of therapy, so
obviously.
we're not
I'm
judging.
not taking anything away from your therapist. मैं एक बात कर रही हूँ कि it might also be detrimental in some cases. I'm not saying any
Absolutely. I think it's just so like for instance, मेरी एक शुरू में therapist थी, and I left her because I felt like she had violated confidentiality. I was struggling at one work organization, and I said the work environment is really bad here, and she was like, it's the same everywhere else. I said, no, it's not. And then, so like, let's say agar Coke and Pepsi hai, I wasn't, but like, let's say I was working at Coke. So she was like, no, it's the same at Pepsi. And I was like, no, it's not. And she's like, yes, it is. And I'm like, no, it's not. She's like, मैं क्यों कह रही हूँ, कोई आता होगा ना मेरे पास